Good evening, friends. Today we shall try to analyze how Nifty is going to move on the next week. So this is a weekly analysis of Nifty. To do that, let us understand the chart pattern of the last couple of weeks. If you see Nifty has formed a red candle, a green candle, red candle, green candle, a red candle. The expectation, and I repeat, the expectation is that Nifty would form another green candle in this week. One red, one green, one red, one green, one red, and I expect one green to happen in this week. To understand this further, we shall now try to understand as to how the Nifty is moving. The Nifty, if you see, is moving in an expanding channel. And I will show you the expanding channel. I'll draw the expanding channel. So this is the top end of the channel, and this is the lower end of the channel. Now, there is a very important point which we should all remember, and that is this particular point of 16,410. I'll just 16,410. Okay. And if you see this 16,410, it has taken support here, support here, support here, midpoint, closing, support, resistance, resistance, resistance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times it has taken. It has taken either resistance or support from this. Obviously, when it approaches this line, it will hit a resistance point. So you have to be very careful about this particular line, which is 16,410. I'll also draw a midpoint of the channel. Let me just draw this channel properly. So that we get the right midpoint. Yep, this should be the midpoint of the channel. Yep. Yeah. Now this midpoint of the channel could also act as a big resistance. When you have an expanding channel, keep this midpoint drawn always. If it crosses the midpoint, in the coming weeks, the Nifty is going to touch the top channel, or if it takes resistance, it's going to come bottom again. And if you see, this has happened multiple times. Here comes down, crosses, goes up. And if you see here, midpoint, it has crossed, it come down, go to the midpoint, again come down, cross the midpoint, gone up to the top of the level. So this is a channel in which the Nifty is moving. I would also like to see the line chart. Let's see the line chart. Yes, the Nifty is moving perfectly in this expanding channel and it's taking resistance from the midpoints. So now on the lower side, so as I said, I am not bearish, neither am I bullish. I'm neither bearish nor bullish. I will go by the flow of how Nifty moves. And I'm prepared for both the moves, lower side and upper side. So on the lower side, I will watch out for a particular level, and that level is 15,988. 15,988. Friends, if Nifty breaks 15,988, then the next target level that I look for is 15,850. 15,850. In the event 15,850 is also broken, Then I'm looking for 15,800. 15,798 to be more precise. So on a weekly basis, I do not see Nifty crossing 15,800. So 15,800 would be a level in which, at this level, as an option seller, we should be selling at 15,800. I repeat, as an option seller, we should be selling put at 15,800. Now, what happens on the upper side? The upper side, I'll have to wait for the first level to cross. And what is the first level? The first level would be 16,265. Let Nifty cross 15,265 and commit to us that yes, we are moving up. Let it commit to us. Before it commit to us, do not take a decision. If it crosses 15,265, then I would expect it to reach this level of 16,410. And believe me, friend, 16,410 is a big resistance point. It's a big resistance point. And in one big candle, it breaks 16,410. Then I would look for the next level, and the next level is 16,567. So on a weekly basis, what I should do is at 16,410, I'll wait and watch. And if it is breaking this, then at 16,500, I would sell a call. On a weekly basis, at 16,500, I will sell a call. So the levels that we should look forward to in this week, 16,500 on the upper side and 15,800 on the lower side. These are the levels at which I should sell, because the weekly analysis that I prepare is for selling of Nifty and not for buying of Nifty. For selling of options and not for buying of options. For buying, I would be also preparing the daily analysis, which you can look into. Thank you so much, friend, and thank you for your support and help. Thank you.